moving back to we have our 2 wires that we have Y connectors on, and we're going to go from PID 3 to relay position 4 with the black. So to start that, we're going to loosen 3 on the PID and number 4 on the relay up top. So up top here. Okay. It's easiest if you start down with the PID. So we're going to put in the Y connector, sliding it underneath just like 1 and 2. I like the magnetic screwdriver because it helps pull off the little spacer between the 2 pins. So got that under, give it a push. Sometimes you have to give it a pretty good push into the slot here, and then tighten this down. And like the others, we're going to fold it through, and this is going to go into number 4. So we're going to slide that into 4 here and tighten down number 4. Okay, so that's nice and tight. So to clean up some of the wiring here, usually I just press this down close tight to the relay and this over to the side, just like so. So it's just out of the way. So now moving on to number 4, PID position. So we're going to loosen PID 4 and relay number 3. The number 3 right here. So we're going to stick our Y connector through again, push this through. Sometimes if these are a little wider, because they're not all exactly the same, you can take your wire strippers and you can kind of narrow this in a little bit. Sometimes that helps make it a little easier. Otherwise you just have to push. Kind of get this lined up. So we try to get most of the infill out for you, but sometimes we have a few little straggler pieces on these inner parts, especially where we push these wires through. So this one's being a little bit stiff. If you're really having trouble, one of the other techniques you can use is you can completely remove the screw from the PID and basically realign it, and then it'll go nice and easily back in. So here, and then we're gonna flip this through into the relay position number 3, which is already pre-loosened. Up here, tighten this down, make sure that's pushed in. Okay, like so. Great. Alright, so that is PID. All the PID connections have been made to the relay, so all 4 positions are there. So we can move on to the thermocouple.